Hey guys, I'm Lauren from VEED, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways for you to add music to your TikTok videos. Firstly, using TikTok's built-in music library, then how to add your own sound to TikTok, and lastly, how to add copyright-free music using VEED. So whether you're aiming to go viral or you just want the perfect soundtrack, I've got you covered. The timestamps are down in the description, so feel free to jump straight into the one that you need, and let's get into it. First up, how to add music to a TikTok within the app. So we're going to open up TikTok, tap the plus sign button that's down the very bottom, and then up the top hit add sound, and then you can tap on that magnifying glass and use the search bar to find the song that you want. Now once you find it, tap the track and then hit the check mark to add it. Now to choose the part of the song that you want, tap the scissor icon and then drag that track over to pick the section that you want. And then when you're happy with it, you can tap done. Now, you can either decide to record yourself, so you can film a video of yourself, or you can tap the camera gallery icon and select a clip from your camera roll. Now, once your video is ready, tap next, write your caption, add your hashtags, and hit post. And that's it. Music added right within the TikTok app. Up next, how to add your own music to TikTok. Now, this is a trick that so many up-and-coming artists have used to go viral, so don't sleep on it. Firstly here, you're going to need a video that has your music or your audio already on it. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, don't worry, I've made a full tutorial. I'm going to link it on screen now. So once your video is ready, you're going to open up the TikTok app, tap the plus sign, and then click the gallery icon. Select your video from your camera roll and then hit next. Hit next again, write your caption, add your hashtags, and then tap post. Now, after it's posted, go into your profile and then open up that TikTok. Now down in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a little circle kind of CD looking icon, and it's going to have your profile picture on it. Tap that. Then you're going to tap the pencil icon to rename the track, call it whatever it is that you want to name it, and then hit save. Now just make sure your video is set to public so other people can use your sound. This is going to help you go viral. So that's how to upload your own music to TikTok. Now lastly, here's how to add copyright-free music to your TikTok videos to avoid them being taken down or worse, turned into a silent movie. So to get started, just click the very first link down in the description. We're going to be using VEED for this. It's an online video editor. Click upload a file, select the video that you want to use for your TikTok, and then give it a moment here to load. Now VEED has a built-in stock audio library full of copyright-free music and sound effects. So we're going to click audio in the left toolbar and then click view all next to stock music. Now you're going to notice that everything here is organized by genre, or you can also use a search bar and type in a trait of the music that you're looking for. Take your time, preview the tracks by clicking the play button, and then pick one that's going to suit your TikTok by clicking the plus sign. Now once you've chosen your track, it's going to appear in your timeline just below your video. We need to trim it. So to trim it, just drag that audio all the way over to the very end so it matches your video length. Now if you need to mute your original audio, just click on the video, then go to the audio section and drag that volume bar to 0. So now you're ready to export. Click export in the top right hand corner, choose your settings. I tend to go for HD and then click export again. So once it's done rendering, we can watch it back. And then all you have to do is click download and download MP4. So your video is now ready to be uploaded to TikTok, and that is how to add copyright-free music to your TikToks using VEED. So if you do want to learn how to edit your TikTok videos outside of the app, you can watch this video right here on screen. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!